Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mark's Fishing Home here. Just a quick little unboxing from some stuff that I purchased out of my last YouTube partner program stuff there. It's going to be some stuff, it's going to be for me, and then some stuff's going to be for going towards the next giveaway again. First one here, I almost forgot about, and it's almost time for to get out there and start fishing, so I really needed one. I was watching 217 Rebel, and he was throwing a cast net. I go, oh yeah, somebody accidentally threw away my cast net last year. I don't know if it was the lady or the kids, but somebody did. So I got a new cast net, and boy, this thing is packed up. I should have opened it ahead of time. My goodness. Sorry about that. I should have pre-opened this. I thought it was just in the bag, but I opened it up and there's like another bag and yada yada. I might even need to get a knife to cut that out. Goodness. I'll give them this. That was some good packaging. Alright, there we go. Got me a new ring style cast net. Using the tire rope, not the nylon. I love these ring nets, especially somebody like me. I'm an old, decrepit man. My shoulders don't work the way they used to. So, thank you, everybody. These other two things are just fishing tackle. Got some rattles. I'm almost out, so I'm gonna need some of these, and some of them will go in giveaways like I did last time. And then oh, they separated the rattles. Alright, there we go. So I got 2 bags of the rattles. One will be for me, and one will go into giveaways, and then also glow-in-the-dark beads, little bead stops. Got 3 packs of those. So, thank you again, everybody. I really needed that cast net, and I needed some more stuff for the giveaway that I've been building up since my last one. And so I think rattles and beads are always a good item to have in there. Put out the other stuff I'll put out. So thanks again, everybody. This comes from the money that I do receive from the YouTube thing. It helps my out-of-pocket cost. So thank you guys. I love you. Appreciate you. And I'll see you later. Have a good day.